Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
President ke NPP Meghalaya Ubaderu MP Karaja Sabha Dr. WR Kharlukhi Henne kasngi habayakran bat kilat pathai kubor halor ka jingkeno bakadon ka Jingtih bat Khaïi Dewïong Be-Aiñ hakajella Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong balada kitip bakadon ka Jingtih bat Khaïi ki dayban Ujor da ka FIR Pulit Ulabu jengkeliru da ka baong balai kimle yakane bat Mano Khang yaki ban Ujor Ula ben rabru da ka baong balada nakalyang ka jong uteb unled ban Ujor syakibor jangkaan Habayadai bat ka jingdawa jong ka AITC bandon da ka jingtoken da ka SIT bat ban petngor da ka yung bishar Nakalyang Dr. Kharlukhi ulaong bakum kalyang persya kadon ya ka hok bandawa Henry kani kansyong hakasorkar kumnu bakande
Is like what we said. Yes, accusations are there, but I used to maintain this. Once you find out who stopped you from filing an FIR in the police station, so that those people who are involved should be arrested. So even with them, if they find, they can do it. I also am very much against it. Who would like to see that no corruption prevail in our state? Nobody likes. But the only thing is, you cannot just blame and accuse. The police are there, file an FIR, let those people be arrested.
So when you're saying they are accusing, you mean you are not convinced that there is any illegal coal mining going on?
No, like I told you, I will not say that I'm not convinced. Okay, they may be right, but I don't know. If they know, then they can do it, no? Who stopped them? Nobody stops them. If I find out, I will do it. Nobody can stop me.
Don't you think it's an embarrassment a little bit that your own alliance partner is accusing him that you're taking over?
Well, this is politics. This is politics, my friend. The thing is, ultimately, it is the people who are going to decide on 2023. That's why I did mention that before the three by-election, NPP is almost right. They were written off. But the result speaks different. Ultimately, the people who decide is the people.
The TMC has demanded for a court-monitored investigation into this illegal coal mining and transportation. What do you have to say on this?
Well, that is what do we have to say on that? That they have every right as a opposition party to say that. And now it's up to the government.
About the stand of the party?
No, the stand of the party, I'm saying, they have every right, okay, to demand it. So now it's up to the government.
Are you for a proper inquiry?
Are you for a
No, like you see, like on opposition party, they have every right because this is their thinking, this is their thought process. So it's not up to the government to see that whether it is to the government to see that whether it should be done or not be done.
So what is your thought process on this?
Well, thought process, I'll tell you, TMC I have not found out anything like that. How can I give what is my thinking about it?
Even the religious who were present there in yesterday's surprise visit by Dr. Mukul claimed that it's freshly mined coal.
I don't know, Dr. Mukul is expert in mining, I don't know. I don't have any expertise in mining.